Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that I am buying right now for massive growth. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down in the comments. So starting off with stock number one. Stock number one is ticker symbol PERI. Now, for those of you that don't know what this company is, this is a technology-based company, really specializes in digital advertising. And over the past couple of years, we've seen a lot of volatility where the stock has gone from as low as about $17, $16 and highs here at 33 bucks. And then over the past couple of months, we've seen a lot of sell-off from it, right? It went from about $26 all the way down to about $18 per share. Personally, one of the main reasons why I love this is because do you think that we are getting more reliable or less reliable on technology? Personally, I think we're getting more and more reliable on technology each and every day. On top of that, they make a ton of money off digital advertising, which isn't going to go away anytime soon. The company has about $300 million in cash and zero debt. So pretty much what that means is if this company ever goes through a hard time, they have way too much cash, right? They can continue to invest, innovate, continue to pay their employees, and don't have to worry about debt, which is fantastic. Now, looking at the chart, you'll notice that it does have some pretty heavy support near and around $18 to about $16. Right in this zone, we've seen this tendency to get a lot of buying pressure near and around that point, right? And given that the stock's right now at about $18, this represents a massive opportunity to buy in. And personally, this could be a stock that you could even swing trade right now, right at about $18 and sell it at about 19 to about 21. Personally, this stock carries a ton of upside, especially on the growth side, but definitely one that I am picking up a couple of shares of this month. Moving on to stock number 2. Stock number 2 is ticker symbol MS, also known as Morgan Stanley. I think we all know pretty much what they do. They're pretty much a fintech company. They're also a financial technology company. They're pretty much a bank, an online bank. They dabble in real estate and stocks and pretty much everything. But looking at this, you'll notice that we've seen some sell-off from about $108 all the way down to 74 bucks. So personally, one of the reasons I love this company is because I think that going out, a year to 2 years, I think there's a huge opportunity on the dividend side because right now it's offering a 4% dividend, which is fantastic. Anytime you have that much money getting paid out quarterly, this is a stock that you can start compounding your account. You can start building up some passive income. And on top of that, given that we have some sell-off, right, all the way down from 108 to 74, there is a massive upside for the stock to just rebound when the general market rebounds. And you're looking at an upside of 20, 30, 40%. And on top of that, 70 cents per quarter on the dividend, and the past earnings blowing expectations, bringing in about $14.8 billion and a surprise of $532 million. So this is a company, guys, that I definitely think we could see some massive growth for the next 2 years or so. But on top of that, the biggest value would be that dividend of 4% every single quarter, which is fantastic. So the next one here is ticker symbol META, also known as Meta, also known as Facebook. Now, a lot of people don't like this stock right now because for the first time in company history, they had a slowdown on their daily active users or whatever that is. But what a lot of people don't realize is Facebook is more than a social media site. They make a ton of money off digital advertising, and on top of that, their profit margins are very, very high. So they keep a lot of cash. They hold about $40 billion in cash. So if the company ever goes through a hard time, they can easily continue to invest, continue to innovate, pay their employees, and not have to worry about a crash or a recession. Facebook owns Oculus, which is a leading virtual reality company. And given that right now a lot of people are looking towards the metaverse, right? Facebook actually changed their name from Facebook to Meta. I definitely think that outlook is very, very strong. And given that we've seen some sell-off from about $384 all the way down to 163 bucks. You cannot go wrong of buying this, right? The company holds so much money. They still bring in so much money. And on top of that, a lot of the sell-off is just because of the general market selling off, and a growth stock like Meta or Facebook is just kind of piggybacking off that. So this is one I feel very, very confident, investing in and holding for the next 2 to 5 years. And this is just a great stock, huge long-term outlook, but no dividend, but more on the growth side for this one, guys. But that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.